As you know, ASC 230 requires an entity to classify its cash receipts and cash payments as either operating, investing, or financing on the basis of the nature of the cash flows. But what happens when the entity has to determine the appropriate classification, but the cash payments and receipts have more than one class of cash flows? Well, under ASC 230, 230 would tell you to look to other GAAP first, so you can try to identify the appropriate classification of the related cash flows. If there isn't any guidance that explicitly addresses the classification, then the next step here is determining whether the cash flows are separately identifiable. If they're not, the last step under ASC 230 is to think about the classification of cash flows on the basis of predominance. So, what does predominance mean in this context? Well, it basically means that you're going to end up classifying and presenting your cash flows, so your cash receipts and your cash payments, into one class of cash flows based on the activity that is likely to be the most predominant use of the cash flows.